Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis in the very recent past, so that's where all these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into tomorrow, if there is any sort of continuation on the bounce, then the first key level of resistance will be right there at right around $2.40. If the price can push up through 240, then the next key overarching level of resistance will be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Right now valued at 247, but keyword being moving, so that value is going to move and change as Tuesday and Wednesday play out. However, one hurdle at a time, and like I said, that first hurdle right up there around $2.40, give or take a little bit. Now, I mentioned, some momentum on the bulls part, and you got to give credit where credit's due from the low points of the day right there, and then on that pullback, build another higher base. So there's some miniature stair steps in play here. So if that's going to continue, because like I said, got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls did put together a nice little bounce here, but that is definitely where the 240-ish area is going to be kind of a big test for this little miniature bounce that is underway. The one adjustment I am going to make, though, is I'm going to move this line down here to right around the $2.27 mark, or excuse me, $2.28. Now that we have more data, you can just see that there's just more kind of price congestion right around this area. So you had some data points right there. Then this afternoon, that's literally right where it bounced off from. So that is definitely going to be that initial and key area that you would want to see hold going into Tuesday at 228. If that level does not hold, then a very, very important level would be the pink line right there, which on my chart is denoting the famous 200-period simple moving average. However, right now, like I said, the price is bouncing, so no need to really focus that much on that 200-period, but that is still worth mentioning given the price is still within the relative range of it. But overall, nice little late-day bounce here. We'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not going into Tuesday and Wednesday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.